Hey, good morning guys. Wes here from Outer Banks this week with your weekly beach report. I'm out here walking the beaches at Kittiawaka right now, right down the street from Black Pelican Seafood Restaurant. And it is a little chilly, a little rainy, cloudy. It's not very ideal out here. It's about 50 degrees right now. Highs today are only gonna get a little bit warmer, maybe around like 52. Most of the week's gonna be looking like that. We're gonna see temperatures scatter between the upper 40s, 50s, 60s, but lots of rain. I see a lot of clouds and rain in the forecast for this week, unfortunately. It's gonna be a great week to go find indoor activities, and thankfully we got the scoop on all of those for you. New Vine's gonna be a great place to go. They've got a wine tasting, trivia, and music going on this week. There's also gonna be trivia places like Sandtrap Tavern and Mulligan's. AR Workshop has a happy hour mini workshop and a wood canvas workshop going on. And Hatteras Village has an oyster roast going on at Odin's Dock on Saturday, which is one of the only days I've seen with no rain this week, so make sure you go check them out if you're around the area. So if you guys need more information for everything that's going on all the way from Corolla down to Ocracoke, make sure you check us out at OuterBanksThisWeek.com for all that info, and have yourself a great day.
OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Don't miss a thing.